Hi, I'm Dr. LaJoyce Brookshire. Thank you for tuning in to What You Need and Why, Episode 1. For the next 30 days, I'll be coming to you with useful information to help you through these hazardous and perilous times. And today, I want to talk to you in depth a little bit about why peroxide is a germ assassin. Yep. Never would have thought that. This little $1 bottle of peroxide at the dollar store kills viruses on contact. Presto. All you have to do is spray it on, leave it on, and allow it to air dry. Now, that may take about 1 minute. All you have to do is leave it there for 1 to 2 minutes untouched. So while you're in a bathroom, let's say a public bathroom, all you have to do is put the peroxide on the toilet seat and just let it air dry for at least 3 minutes in order for it to kill germs. So while you're in there, you can be doing things like wiping down your hands, you can be taking off your gloves and putting on more gloves if you choose, or you can also be lining the toilet with toilet paper if there's none there, or use a paper liner in a public bathroom. Today specifically, I want to cover how to do it yourself with the wipes that you use in public places, because in case you hadn't heard, there's a plague in these streets, and since we still have to be in the street, we have to do so safely. So I want to ensure that you know that you don't have to buy expensive wipes, that you don't have to buy expensive things, but you can in fact make your own wipes, and you can do so very, very inexpensively. First, I want to talk about why peroxide works. Okay, peroxide is H2O2. And as we all know, water is H2O. So peroxide has one more oxygen molecule more than water itself. So that's why it's also really watery. However, the extra oxygen model, it's really oxygenated, for lack of better definition. It is oxygenated to the point where it can kill viruses on surfaces. We'll get into some other things that peroxide can do in the following days, but I wanted to start here specifically. So when you go on your sojourn to dollar stores, or if you never go to dollar stores, I'm always in them because I'm always looking for a good bargain, and they have lots of tools that you can get from the dollar store to help you on your wellness journey. So one of the things that I like is I like these wipes. They're just a Huggies variety, or whatever kind that a dollar store may have, but they don't have any fragrance in them. That's the one you want. You want some for sensitive skin. You want some that have no fragrance. You want definitely to choose one that says natural care. This one says natural care. Or you want just quite simply fragrance free. What I like about this brand specifically, these Huggies or even the Pampers ones, they're really thick. I mean, it's literally like a cloth, like a washcloth. It's even thicker than a paper towel, I think, because they're to wipe the baby's bottom. So when you're there, just pick up one of these packages, and you don't have to even take it out of the pack. Another thing that I like about the package is that it's a heavy-duty plastic as well. So anything that's in here that's moist, it shall not leak out. So then you walk over to the other aisle while you're in the dollar store and pick up just a bottle of peroxide and pour in the peroxide. Yes, just like that. Just pour it in on top of your wipes. Now you can pour more than that. I've already poured some in here, so I just poured very little, but you can pour just a little bit, and then just move it around. You can even shake it around, but you can keep pouring. You can tell by the density that there's other liquid in here on top of what was here to make these wipes moist. This container apparently also holds its moisture for the wipes, and that's exactly what you want. So when you're in public places, when you have to go to a bathroom in public and you're not sure if it's clean enough for you to have to handle your business, and I'm always encouraging you to pee and poop when nature calls you to pee and poop, but in these times we have to make sure that when you do that, okay, that at least it's clean. And this will take care of it, because what we know about COVID is that it's a lipid. So it means it has that greasy coating, which is why it lives on surfaces for about 72 hours. But this will kill it. So you just take one of your wipes and you wipe down everything and discard. All right, that's it. Quite simply, wipe and discard. And then even on your grocery store basket handles, you know, they have all of the wonderful wipes at the grocery store now. Thank you, grocery stores. We appreciate you. But I choose to keep my own. And I also like to sanitize my grocery basket before I even get in the store. So I have my nice wipes and I wipe down everything outside. I let it air dry. And then I even have some in a sprayer. I have some of this in a sprayer, and I spray down the entire basket and I just let it dry. And I'm doing other things in my car. I'm getting my list together. I'm masking up. I'm putting on my scarves. I'm taking care of myself so that when I get into the store, I can be safe. But first, I'm going to bust those germs. So thank you for tuning in to What You Need and Why, and join us right here tomorrow for more. God bless you.